Evening mga ka-Korba Queen. Mayroon tayong collection dito sa ating car.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ayan, small car. We have here color blue. And then orange. And then color gray, color green, here, and then color black, and then yellow. We have here white, and then gray, and then the other one blue, and then have her black, we have light blue, nalalagyan siya ng battery. Mga ka-Korba Queen, we have yellow also. And then violet. And we have here white with Alice green, yan. Pag nagpapagas kayo mga ka-Korba Queen sa Petron, ayan yung ibibigay sa inyo. Ayan, pag marami na kayong napagas, ayan, i-flex ko lang mga ka-Korba.
Paano masabi?
Ayan. Ang gaganda nila, oh. See? Oh. May mga batteries siya sa loob. Ayan, oh. Lalo na yung, green. And then orange. Ganda. Yung red. Super ganda. Ayan. Ating tignan ang ating kulay yellow. siya dito. Ayan, may pa-Petron siya. Ayan. May pa-Petron. And then, meron siyang ayan yung ating red color. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung likod niya. May battery. And naka-screw pa siya. Ayan. See? It's a nice color. Wow. Then, ito yung ating kulay. Lamborghini. Veneno. Wow, it's a nice. Petron siya mga ka-Corbaquin. Ayan, mga Petron. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ganda ng kulay. Yeah, bare white. Ayan. Oh. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ayan ang ating koleksyon. It's so nice. White, and then we had black with blue. Oh, so nice color. We have orange. So nice. Have yellow. Then red. See? Light blue. And violet. Red Alice white, red and green. Your biggest one, 7. Yeah. Bentley. Yeah. Biggest one. Ayan, nakascrew pa siya. May battery. Ayan, sa likod. Super duper, tumakbo to, malakas, tumakbo. And a runway. Ayan. See? Nice color. Ating mga koleksyon. Ayan. See, nakascrew pa siya at the back. Ayan. May battery siya sa likod. 3 battery. Yan, it's so nice. So very nice color. Look at that. We have gray hair. Also black. Gray. Yes. We have also black hair. Oh, so nice. Look at that, the color gray. So nice. Ayan, nakascrew pa. See? So, don't forget like, share, and subscribe my channel. Precious Vlog. We have the biggest one, kulay blue. Look at that. Thank you for watching. Ayan mga ka-Korba Queen. Please don't forget like, share, and subscribe my channel, Precious Vlog.